All right, guys, so apparently I made a video yesterday and I was on mute, okay? I didn't have you all there to tell me, Miss, your mic's on mute, so I apologize for that. So anyway, for today's assignment, you are going to be looking at your equation that you are given. Now, what you want to do is you want to be able to identify the slope of that equation first, okay? So for example, number one is already in slope-intercept form, so it's real easy for me to notice that the slope is that imaginary -1 there, okay? So I'm going to put right here, this slope is -1, or -1/1, right? So now I got to find an equation that is parallel to this one. Well, if they're parallel, I got to find an equation that has exactly the same slope. So if you look at A, B, C, D on your paper over here, the other line that has also a -1 slope is going to be line C. Okay, line C, I believe, says y equals -x plus 4. So these two lines are going to be parallel because they have the same slope and different y-intercept. Okay, then to find the the perpendicular line, remember what we do. We change the sign and flip our numbers. Okay, so we do this. Change the sign, that means I'm going to end up with positive, right? And if I flip my numbers, well, I still have 1/1. So I'm looking for an equation that has a 1 as the slope. So if I kind of look down, I'm going to notice that H is the answer for this one because it says y equals x minus 9. And you see that +1 there? That's exactly what I wanted. Okay? Number 2 is not in slope-intercept form. So get it to be in slope-intercept form first by taking this number and moving it over here. So if it's positive, now it's going to be negative. So now you have y equals 2x minus 3. The slope here is the 2, the number next to the x. So if I look at my answer choices, my options, I'm going to notice that if I want a parallel line, I got to pick something that's got the same slope. And that would be letter G. G says y equals 2x plus 12. So notice 2, 2. Same slopes, different y-intercepts. Perpendicular means I got to take this number. Remember, this number is 2/1. I got to change the sign, so I need to make it negative. And flip my numbers. So that's the slope I want my equation to have in order for them to be perpendicular. So if I look down at my answer choices, it's going to be letter K, because letter K says y equals -1/2 x plus 7. So opposite reciprocals, that will make it perpendicular. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Some answers you will use them several times, and then some answers you're not going to use at all. All right. Hope this helps. Thank you.